I was just cleaning stuff up and I was going to break this box down, and I have a new way of breaking down a box I never knew before. It happened by accident, so I'll show you. I have the box like this, and you can already see the crease. I didn't make that on purpose. That happened by accident. I just went to crush the box and it folded up like this. I don't know if it's made to do that, but it folds up into a nice square. Kind of perfect. Like a little packet. And so I didn't have to rip it or cut it. Just thought that was kind of interesting. Like I said, it's never happened to me before. But it's a great way to break a box down if you're looking to save some space. I'm going to try it with some other boxes later and see if they do the same thing. But it'll make it easier to throw away or recycle.